When it comes to air conditioners, Daikin is synonymous with power, performance and dominance. It's difficult to always live up to such a legacy, but Daikin delivers. How? Let's check out the 1.5 ton 5-star split inverter AC to find out. What is likely to entice any consumer is that while the cooling is a notch higher, the inverter technology is still meant to keep the energy consumption in check. Laced with the triple display feature, the AC adds an overall convenience by providing real-time updates, temperature and error codes, keeping you fully in control. The DuClean technology also stands out here. It essentially ensures improved airflow and reliable cooling, all with the push of a button. To add to that, Daikin has introduced 3D airflow technology, which ensures 4-way automated, consistent cooling in every corner of your space, providing an excellent air conditioning experience. Plus, the PM 2.5 filter captures microscopic particles as small as 2.5 microns, ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and fresh. The AC also features an econo mode to lower your power cost with less energy consumption. Additionally, the R32 refrigerant used in this AC is environmentally friendly. It has a modified global warming potential of 472 and zero ozone depletion potential, making it easy to recycle and contributing to low overall emissions. You can make a smart move by buying this AC from Flipkart just like I did. The FA Assured tag for quality assurance, the open box delivery option, the exchange deals and so many payment plans to choose from all add to a very seamless, hassle-free experience. Also, if you're exchanging it with your old AC, the uninstallation is done absolutely free. Also do check out Flipkart's AR 3D feature on their mobile app. You can see how the Daikin AC will look in your home, ensuring it fits perfectly with your decor. So if you are in the market for a high-performance, reliable AC, I would say the Daikin 1.5 ton 5-star split inverter AC is definitely worth considering. Let the brand show its dominance.